following video will illustrate how to use the CVS Health 3-in-1 finger injury system to treat, protect, and support your injured finger. As you can see, one of my fingers has been injured. It's slightly swollen and slightly crooked, and I will use this kit to treat that finger. The suggestions for treating the jammed finger: first, use the gel pack for cold therapy 3 to 4 times a day for 10 minutes until the swelling and pain subsides. Slide the gauze tube over the finger before applying the cold pack. Place the cold pack around the finger and use the strap to fasten the cold pack to the finger. The strap should not be positioned where it would put direct pressure on the knuckle or any wound. The next form of treatment that is available in this system is the comfort splint. Wear the comfort splint to help protect the finger while it heals. Use the strap to fasten the splint to the finger. Splint should feel snug but not too tight. Strap should not be positioned where it will put pressure directly on the knuckle or any wound. Strap can be removed and repositioned if necessary. If redness, pain, or swelling persists, consult a physician at once. The third form of treatment that is included are the finger buddies. Wear the finger buddies for additional support and help prevent further injury. Use the finger buddies to strap the recovering finger to an adjacent finger. Place one buddy above the middle joint and one below the middle joint. Buddies should feel snug but not too tight. Buddies should not be positioned where they place direct pressure on the knuckle or any wound. If redness, pain, or swelling persists, consult a physician right away.